Ubak Prestone Tensong Ulong, bagi Sarkar Jela kampat pensangai ek Projek Rel. Rekin peniak cakamat hadian balayo ek jing menjur lang nagikin hun baper. Kamtam hakaban pen Urlong Shwa, ya kejing dawa pen mereka make an align permit kebekong santam menta ya kejela berogawai. Ulang bagi Sarkar kampat ong bagan pensangai no ek Projek Rel, rekin Shim Shwa kejing menjur nabaro bagikin hun baper. Wat kinong song shnong kejela. Kikwa ek ILP kumtala de Mynjur Shwa ek ILP on sekren pat ik bentabar ke bandai ke Projek Rel. Ha kebede bagajeng terwa kiar sainar ha kathan kaput keri India bat Bangladesh. Uniu sembut menteri rang ba ule tu bo 4 lap rong dari lekmi lenti pat bagane kemat kan semi agajeng ekran apa agajeng elang jong North Eastern Council keben penyat du menteri korbari ke Sarkar Pedang u Amit Shah.
About this project. In fact, what we said, we never said that we will stop. What we are saying is we would like to carry along everybody. All the stakeholders has to be also on board. I think that is the main issue. So right now, the most important issue as of today is about the pending issue. What is the pending issue? In fact, the stakeholders, even the citizens of the state, what they wanted is number one is ILP. If that is considered, then the second subject of railway project can be discussed.